JavaScript supports the logical operators. In this video, we will try it and implement its practical examples. Here, we have logical operators. First of all, we have logical AND, then logical OR, and then logical NOT. In logical AND, both the conditions are checked. Here, we have A and B. Both these conditions will be checked that they are not with a non-zero value. Here, A holds 10 and B holds 20. So, I have value in A and I also have a value in B. So this is true. If there had not been a value in A, either 0 or there had not been a value and the condition of A had been false and that of B had been true, the return would have been false. If even one condition is false, the return will be false. Both conditions must be true. In logical, we check A and B. This is the sign for OR. In this, even if one condition is true, the return is true. If there is a value in A and a value in B, there is a value in both, so it is true. If there had not been a value in B, but there had been a value in A, the condition would still have been true. Logical NOT means the reverse of logical AND. If here the condition is true, it will be false. And if it is false, the value will become true. Let's implement its practical examples. So here I have taken three variables. Firstly, I have taken A and B in Boolean. There are two values, true and false. True returns 1 and false returns 0. So here we will apply the AND condition. We have already discussed line break in the earlier two videos, that it moves us to the next line. Document .write will be written as it is. In result, we have A and B. Value of A is true and value of B is false. Here we have stored the value in the variable. One condition is true and the other condition is false. So what should it return? False. So here it has returned false. Now we will check OR condition. In OR, even if one condition is true, the result will be true. So the answer we get is true. It has returned true. Our last condition is of NOT. So what do? The logical operator is reverse. We will check the logical operator again. Value of A is true. Value of B is false. So the condition will be false. So it took the reverse of false, that is true. So in the result we get true. That is all for this video.